Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky for news and discussions. So you will, before getting started with Bluesky, you will just simply sign up and download the Bluesky app on iOS or Android. You can also create an account via the website. So after creating your account, simply just go in the left side, you will see this is the feed option, and after getting inside here you will see the discover new feeds. So choose your own timeline feeds built by the community, help you find content you love. So example, I will just explore the topic on news. I will just type it for news, and let's see. So here is the trending headlines from verified news organizations maintained by android.com. So I want to just in my feed I will just tap on this plus icon. So feeds updated, here you will see in discover following news. So I will just go on the home, and whenever I just log into my blue sky account and I want to use my news, so I will just simply tab on in discover, which is right option in following news. I will simply tab on it, and from here I will just see the news or locally news or international affairs. So here are all news. So this is, you can just use blue sky for news and discussions. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.